Before we jump right into it, I ask that you consider subscribing. It seems that 99.5% of all my viewers aren't subscribed. If you like the content and want to see more car videos, subscribe and hit the little bell icon. I don't do boring vlog style videos that last over 10 minutes just for ad revenue. I get right into it and make videos in hopes that you learn something new. So consider subscribing. It's free. Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and today I'll be installing this universal carbon fiber front splitter from Dreamizer. Special thanks to Dreamizer for sending me one of these to install on my sister's Challenger. I know that for the early RT models and all SXT models of the Challenger that there aren't many splitters to choose from. Most people end up buying one from a scat pack, but that requires you to take off the front bumper completely to do, which is why an add-on splitter like this one is great. Now this product is universal, so you have to find your own spots to drill and manually have to line up each piece in relation to each other so that they match. This definitely requires two people to eyeball and line it up while the other person is underneath drilling. Now once you get the pieces lined up, it's just a matter of drilling and putting in the screws into the splitter. Installation took about an hour, and you may or may not have to jack up the front of your car depending on how low it is. Just know that even with two people, it is kind of easy to line one side up incorrectly and have one side stick out farther than the other. You can kind of notice that here with my installation, but it's really not that noticeable. One tip I'll give is make sure you have the right size drill bit that is around the same size as the screw diameter. Not the screw head, but the actual long part of the screw. Also use the long screws for the parts where the pieces overlap to ensure they go all the way in. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Again, special thanks to Dreamizer. I'll go ahead and leave a link to their product on Amazon so you guys can check it out. They also have other variations for splitters, so go and look through those. I guess that's about it for this video. Like and subscribe for more car content. See you guys later. Peace.